Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a flight in the Condor Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Book a Flight button. So first you have to give the departure airport. And then you also have to give the destination airport. Then you have to select if it's a round trip, a one-way trip, or a multi-city trip. And then you have to give the time of the flight, and then you have to give the passengers, so the number of adults, children, or infants that are going to travel with you. So you can do that by clicking on the plus sign next to them. And once you've done that, click on the Continue button. And here's just an overview of your details, and then click on the Search for Flights button. And as you can see, there is a flight, but there are not enough seats left. So in this case, you can try and find nearby departures or nearby destinations, and if they are optional for you, then you can choose that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.